Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you tuning in, and today we are going to start whittling down on these logs that we have here. Various logs, crotches, trying to get them out of the way so we can clean up a few things. Got some good stuff in them. So like right here, we're going to start with this black walnut. We got this last year. Had somebody call me. It was in a yard. They were tearing the old house down and gonna build a new house, so wanted to know if we wanted it. Heck yeah, we wanted it. So gonna get started with it. There's the big log here is probably 12-14 feet long. The other log next to it's probably about 6 or 7, but like I say, it's a yard tree. It's got a no trespassing sign on it, so we got to get that out. Probably gonna hit a nail or a screw or something, but anyway, there's some good wood in there because this end is 20 inches, the other end is 24 with the flare. So we're gonna get that thing milled up, and should have some good straight grain black walnut, beautiful lumber in it. So appreciate you watching, stay tuned, and here we go. if you notice, we're using an old blade on this log to start with because we were worried about it being a yard tree and having nails in it. It had that no trespassing sign on it, so we're worried about it having nails in it. So we threw an old blade on there just to get these flitches off, and you can tell that it's not cutting real well. So we're going to roll it. May put a different blade on there and just sacrifice one, but anyway, we'll see. Wanted to let you know, but this stuff's going to look really good. There's some good figure coming out of it. Y'all didn't hear it, but we hit a whole hardware store. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We hit 9 nails on that pass. Crazy. Oh well, we'll figure something out. Folks, you're going to notice on this these cuts an awful lot of chatter, but we had to use old blades due to all the nails in this log. It was just still too beautiful to pass up this black walnut. It's really good looking material, but man, there's a lot of chatter and a lot of sanding going to be done. But anyway. All right, folks. You know how sometimes you think you got something really, really good, and then it turns out it ain't so good? Well, that black walnut tree, we went through 4 blades and we hit 11 nails. Like I said at the beginning, that was a yard tree, and we fully expected that we might hit 1 or 2. We hit 2, and then on one pass we hit 9. And so we got out of the boards that we could. We got some 6-inch boards and some other boards before the nails were really good. And then we're gonna leave it like that. It's about a 4x6, and that can be turned into a mantle or something, and the nails will just give it some character because they're still in there. So anyway, I appreciate you watching, and we'll put a little water on some of this and see what it looks like. But y'all have a great day. Yeah, that's some good looking stuff. Good looking stuff. Oh yeah. Look at all around those knots. That compression in there looks awesome. Right around there. All right, folks, there you go. Certainly appreciate you guys watching, and hope everyone has a great day.